Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your Google Home Mini to a new Wi-Fi network step by step. So first of all, you need to start by opening your Google Home application on your phone or tablet. Over here, you need to make sure that your phone is already connected to the new Wi-Fi network that you want the Google Home Mini to use. Now inside the application, you just have to tap on the Google Home Mini device from the main dashboard. Then you just have to go to the settings, then go to the device information, and then go to the option of Wi-Fi. So here you are going to see the current network connected to the speaker. Now you just have to tap on the option of forget network and remove the old Wi-Fi connection. Once it is disconnected, the Google Home Mini will enter setup mode again and wait for a new network connection. Now you need to simply return to the main Google Home screen, and here you need to follow the setup prompts. The app should automatically detect the Google Home Mini nearby, select the new Wi-Fi and enter the password carefully and wait for the speaker to reconnect. Now during this setup, you need to make sure that you stay close to both the router and the Google Home Mini for a more stable connection process. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.